Hi, I'm Luke Farabee. This is my Eportfolio website for my Capstone. Let me show you around. So to start, let me give you a little bit of information about myself. My degree is in Computer Information Systems, which is a BSBA, and my concentration is in cybersecurity. And I'll be graduating in December of 2023. My campus involvement is an app ITP, and I've also been going to the Cyber Summit for about 2 years now. And that's actually how I got my current job at Infusion Points, a cybersecurity consulting company. And I'll explain that a little bit more later in the presentation. So, for my first goal, which is students will think analytically to successfully solve problems, I decided to use my systems analysis and design project, uh, the Apwich system, which is a theoretical project that we designed in class, which intakes customer orders for a restaurant or a sandwich shop, more so. But this was basically a project that we used to break down systems analysis and design, and also a co-requisite to my final IT project, which I will explain later in the presentation. For goal two, I chose the cyber threat assessment for Stickboy for my IT audit class. And goal two is students will communicate effectively in writing and speech. And for the cyber threat assessment, basically, it shows that I am able to not only write well, but write well in a technical standpoint, which is very important for someone who is going into cybersecurity. And if you click on the link to goal two on my website, you can read the whole document. For goal three, students will understand ethical issues and responsibility to society. I decided to choose my experience at Explorers Middle School as a mentor to students with learning disabilities. And I did this back in 2019 while I was at NC State. As a person who grew up with learning disability themselves, this was very helpful for both me and for the students who I mentored. We did advocacy exercises, confidence building exercises, and much more. For goal four, students will possess functional business knowledge and technology skills. I chose my final IT project, as I mentioned earlier. And this is a Primal Flame tattoo website for the tattoo company Primal Flame here in Boone, North Carolina, off of 105. And so, as you can see here, and you can see the full PowerPoints on the website in goal four, you can see the current system here, which is currently lacking. Their booking system is quite insecure, and it is sent directly to an email. So what we have here is the idea to implement a improved booking system with Wix, and also revamp their website and give it a more congruent feel with their shop. For goal five, I decided to choose my Germany study abroad trip project from my GIT class, Global Information Technologies. And goal five is students will be knowledgeable about the global environment of business. And so this project contributed to that greatly because we planned a study abroad trip and itinerary to Germany, theoretical, of course, but this also had a huge global business aspect, which was that we were forming events around business technology in our country of choice. And so our country of choice was Germany. And so we planned a trip to a school, a technology school, learned a little bit about culture and how business functions in their country in preparation for that, theoretically. So that was quite interesting. So for my transformational experience, I chose Infusion Point's cybersecurity solutions, which about 1 year ago I began interning for them. As I mentioned previously, I began researching their company at the Cyber Summit 2 years ago, and then last year I was able to land a job there as an intern. I've been working there for over a year now, doing first engineering work and achieving AWS certifications, and now in advisory, working with compliance documentation. And this has been an extremely eye-opening experience for me. It's shown me so much about the world of cybersecurity and has truly given me such an opening into the world of cybersecurity itself. So here are my references. The references that I used were from Explore's middle school website, which was for Goal 3. And I also just wanted to thank you for watching this video and for checking out my website. I very much hope that you enjoy it